Good Friday afternoon. Again, it's Red Friday here at Low VA Rates. Thank you to all the veterans for your service in defense of our nation. Today we're going to talk about VA allowable fees, because VA has, remember, the Department of Veterans Affairs exists in the home loan benefit space to protect the veteran. So they have both allowable fees and some non-allowable fees. So today we're going to speak about some of them that you may see associated with either an interest rate reduction loan, a cash out refinance, or the purchase of a new home. You know, the first one is recording fees. They actually have to record a document against the title of the property that it places the lien against it. For example, you'll have a piece of paper that says, I owe X amount of dollars to ABC lender. And they charge a fee for that. It goes to the county, doesn't go to the lender. It may range from $50 to maybe as high as $200 in some instances. The next one is credit report fees. Everybody knows you have Credit Karma, you have the ability to pay your credit or look at your credit as a consumer. The lenders do pull a credit report that includes all three major credit bureaus, and there's a fee for that. It may range as low as $15 if you're doing an interest rate reduction loan, or it could be as high as $50 for a purchase or cash out refinance because of the information that required. Homeowners insurance or hazard insurance, you have to protect your home against wind, hail, maybe fire. Some parts of the country it may even be earthquake. But the lender requires that that large amount of money that they're going to lend you based on the home has hazard insurance against it. Flood zone determination again. All transactions require a survey to confirm if your home is located in a flood zone or not. For all the veterans considering purchasing a home, if you drive up to look at a home and there is a large creek or body of water in the background, there may be a requirement for flood insurance. And you can get flood insurance. It's a federally sponsored program. However, the costs do range and it could be very expensive. So do your homework first. The other one is title examination and title insurance. There is a fee for someone to inspect the county records of your local county to confirm that the liens against the property are accurate. You don't want to buy a home that the seller may have a bunch of judgments against them, tax liens. It's almost like when you buy a car, you want to make sure that you're sure that you have clear title to the vehicle. It's the same thing when you're purchasing a VA home. The other side of it is mailing fees. There's couriers sometimes that transmit documents to and from a lender, and they may have a charge for them. That's one of the things, those courier fees are actually non-allowable fees. So if someone wants to charge you those, that's $50 that you can save, because you're now an informed VA home loan person because you've watched our video here at Low VA Rates on a Friday afternoon. Saved yourself $50 maybe. The other one is the VA funding fee. This is a fee. This is veterans helping other veterans out. Because we know, remember, the VA home loan product has been around since 1946, and it has never required a cash infusion from the American people based on the character of America's veterans. Each transaction may have a VA funding fee associated with it. It may range from 1%, or it could go up to 3.3%, depending on the type of transaction that you're working with. The other one is if you're a disabled veteran, 10% or more, you do not have to pay a VA funding fee. The other side of it is appraisals. If you're doing a purchase loan, or if you're looking at a cash out refinance with your VA home loan benefits, you're going to have an appraisal associated with it. That's to make sure that the value of the home is there. Because as a veteran, remember, the Department of VA exists to protect the veteran. The VA does not want a veteran to pay too much for a home, and they also don't want a veteran to purchase a home that is not safe, sound, or sanitary. Maybe that's another topic we can cover coming up, the safe, sound, and sanitary requirements for VA appraisals. And the other one is compliance inspections. You know, sometimes if you're looking at purchasing a home that may have a well or a septic tank, you want to make sure that the well is going to have good water in it, and you also want to make sure that that septic inspection is there to ensure the septic system works. Some states require septic inspections, and some do not. As a veteran speaking to other veterans, please always get an inspection on a septic tank if you're looking at purchasing a home with a septic system on it. That's it for our day-to-day. It's always red. We're wearing red on Friday to celebrate, remember everybody deployed. I know every day there are men, women in uniform, carrying weapons in faraway places, making sure America stays free. Thank you all. Have a great weekend.